Kangpokpi MLA Namecha Kipgen on Wednesday became the first woman and the first Kukizo person to become the Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur. She virtually took oath from Manipur Bhavan in New Delhi on Wednesday. Listen in.
We have taken the responsibility now. We'll go ahead with that.
So one of your colleagues from Kukizo community have also take oath as a deputy chief minister.
Yes.
So and there are many groups that have been opposing against her participation in the government. So even life.
See, in this kind of situation, because you know the situation we have created like that. Normally, it will not come in one day. It is coming slowly. So participating in the from the online also. It shows that they want to come. They want to. There will be opposition from everywhere. That is everywhere it is happening. But you know, when there is a problem, it takes time. But we are inviting people to come. Definitely, they are coming forward, coming closer.
So, armed groups have threatened her as well as other Kukizo MLAs. So any action will be taken by your government.
Why not? Why not? Why not? It is.
So can we say that inclusiveness is the new mantra of the new government?
Sorry?
Inclusiveness is the new mantra of the new government.
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Now, Kipgen's swearing in came a day after Kuki's civil society groups objected to her joining the government led by Yamnam Khemchand Singh. Several Kukizo MLAs groups protested outside Manipur Bhavan in Delhi, where Namecha Kipgen virtually took oath as Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur. The civil society groups have opposed their leaders joining the Manipur government. Kuki Manipur, an umbrella body of Kukizo groups, condemned the government formation as well. The Kukizo Council also issued a statement warning the lawmakers. Manipur had been under President's rule for nearly a year. Finally, it saw the return of an elected government helmed by the new Chief Minister Yamnam Khemchand Singh in Imphal, but not without controversy.
Do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी, अमित शाह जी और नवीन जी, प्रेसिडेंट बसपा, सबने भरोसा करके दिए हुए उस भरोसा को मैं आगे ले जाएगा.
Naga People's Front MLA Losi Dikho was sworn in as the other Deputy Chief Minister at Manipur's Lok Bhavan along with others as well. Well, a major development in the state of Manipur. New government has been elected. New leaders have taken charge of the state after nearly a year of President's rule. Manipur gets its first Kukizo woman Deputy Chief Minister who took oath virtually, although there are some protests from the Kukizo groups warning that this is not acceptable, that they do not agree with the name of the new lawmakers. But for now, there's a hope for peace with the new government forming in the state of Manipur.